Hey guys, it's Christmas Eve actually. And with my family situation, my mom has to work tonight, so she's a nurse and labor and delivery, and babies don't stop. So we decided to open up presents about 4 o'clock on Christmas Eve, and I just wanted to show you what I got and stuff that I can use, and then I'm just really thankful for it. That I have an awesome mom, still in my life and helps me out. Thank you so much for this, Mama. If you do get a chance to see this video, I really love what I got. Let me start off first. I'm really big into cars, so she went and bought me this, let me see if I can get in here, the Ice Premium Care Kit. It comes with wash, wax, interior, an interior spray, and a liquid wax, and a spray wax, and it's the car wash is a 2-in-1. I'm gonna do an unboxing on all this stuff in another video, but that's that one. Let's see what else you got here. She went for my furry ass and got me the Gillette Fusion Pro Glide kit. Awesome. This thing's like blinged out for a razor, you know what I'm saying? Really nice. Got that. Awesome. Next thing I really wanted to thank her for was in helping me get this, and which is my PT 740. I'm really thankful for this. This is gonna help us as far as home protection and stuff. Guns, I love it. I love that present. Which you guys have already seen. I've had that, so it's not gonna be too big on that. And for driving, even though I have it on my cell phone, this is awesome to have. Just you can throw it in the glove box, pull it off your window. Got the TomTom Via Life Maps. This guy, I haven't unboxed it or looked at it or anything yet. It's got it's a roadside assistance. It's got spoken street names, advanced lane guidance, integrated mounting, 7 million preloaded points of interest in the TomTom Map Store. The contents in this box is the actual TomTom device, preloaded maps, easy port mount, USB cable, car charger, adhesive disc, and documentation. It's got a 4.3-inch screen, more than sufficient, especially the top. There you guys see, 4.3 inches. TomTom, good stuff. And now to the bad boy that I'm really thankful for, because if I was gonna have one of these, this is it. The Galaxy, or not the Nexus 7 with Android. Oh yes, and it is the 32 gigabyte. Brand new in the box, ready to go. I got some shit to play with here. Gonna have some fun, but I'm gonna make part 2. I'm gonna unbox everything. Should I do it? Or not? Let me see here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the TomTom and the Nexus 7. We're gonna make a nice little video here. Okay. We're gonna do the TomTom first, because I think it's really interesting. go ahead and attempt to cut this box, the tape at least. Okay, almost there. Okay, not the best unboxing, I'm sorry, but alright, so we're gonna take it out. Oh, actually the top pops up and you have your TomTom lifetime warranty maps. Do not discard. Okay. Wow. I didn't realize. Yeah, man, this is like the size of my phone, 4.3. Here's the actual TomTom. On the back side, it's got for the sticky grip. Oh, there. It unfolds like that. Goes on your windshield. Bam. Really like that. Fully swivels. Awesome. Tuck that back. It's got a nice loud looking speaker on the back. See if we can power this on. Wonder if it's got any juice. No, I don't think it has any juice right now. So yeah, that's the actual device. Let's see what else we can pull out of here. The device. I'm trying to get it settled back in the package. TomTom roadside assistance basic membership, and I'm not gonna put that on there because it's got the activation code on. I don't want y'all stealing my shit. Log on to TomTom. The TomTom roadside assistance basically includes 24-hour emergency roadside dispatch anywhere in the U.S. or Canada. I won't be in Canada, but I'll definitely be in the United States because I am an American. Country perks and national savings and discount program activate and receive 20% off your first tow. So this basically means shit to me, kind of, because I have it through AT&T, but that's cool. Coming with a little TomTom booklet here that unfolds, obviously, to tell people that are bitch made, no, it's messing around, that you know, might need a little direction, which I might, you know. USB to the car charging port there with the USB plugs up into there. Also, this should plug into the computer and charge also, so we can do that. And it's got the big base plate. I'm gonna guess this might go on the windshield, or I'll have to figure that out later. I'm gonna do all that good stuff. So I'm gonna plug this up, let it charge, and yeah, I'm gonna get around to doing that, and once I get it charged, you know, that's nothing. You just start running through it, and which I'll make another video once I get into the actual TomTom review. Alright, next we're gonna jump into the Nexus 7. Alright, the Nexus 7. Let's see how this some of my bitch does it slide through. Oh, it's another one of these where you basically have to rip the sides off because it doesn't want to slide through. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip, not rip, but peel back the sticky here, and crack this joker open. can do this shit. Sorry, I'm terrible at unboxings, but I'm making it happen. It's Christmas Eve. Who gives a shit? I'm making a video. Just get this motherfucker out of its surroundings. Okay, as you can see now, it's just the Nexus box. This was just some bullshit to cover it. Let me go ahead and what we got going on here? Alright, some black tape is holding it on. Go ahead and zip that off. Okay, is there another one on here? Nope. Okay, so this should just drop. And no, it's not. Just doing that for me. Okay, just peeled right off. Wow. Nice screen. Big Bang. The Nexus 7. Love it. I was looking at this forever. What all does it come with? I'm happy and I know it. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I'm sorry. Move the camera down a little bit. Webcam style. Boom. Alright. Don't think anything comes in there. Got a little box here. I'll pop it open and see what is in here. USB to the device cord. Also have the USB to the plug-in to charge. And it seems like we got another made roll-out thing of information, which I'm trying to get back together decently. Okay, here we go. Nexus 7. Nexus 7. This is the warranty and the quick start guide. So yeah, that's it. Go ahead and throw those books back in there. And like I said, I'll do a review of all this stuff once I do get it turned on and everything, and start messing with it and take a look and see what I got. But yeah, man, that's that. And I want to say also the PT 740, my pistol. Great Christmas. Couldn't ask for more. Thank you, Mom. Everybody all will do. Even let you know how that Gillette ProGlide Fusion works, cause you know you get a little hairy. But yeah, it's my Christmas Eve and unboxing, so gonna mess around with some of this stuff and have a little bit of fun. It's like 4 o'clock. I got plenty of time. Have a good one, you guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Bye.